Hello, good morning, guys. How are you today? Hope everything is fine over here. And how about you, girly? What happened to you? Why you are so sad, girly? Did you sleep well? Oh, oh, how you doing? And how about you, little Mandy? Mandy? So how about you, gentleman over there? Yeah? Do you want me to sing you a song, guys? Okay? So here you go. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think a moment every night and day. I spread my wings and fly away. Credit to you, darling and select. I believe I can soar. Spin the running. Oh, you're so sad. Why you don't like my song? So okay, I will sing for you another song, a jolly song. Chicken wings, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, getting in my homie. Chicken wings, hot. Credit to you, Bella Porch. Porch. Yeah, hello, little girlie, were you sad? You miss someone? Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Why you're down? You cannot fly? Why you keep fighting with a woman? Why you keep fighting with her? What's wrong with you, little guy? What's wrong with you, little guy? Why you keep fighting with her? Huh? See now? Her face is so sad. You don't see it? Huh? Huh? You don't see it? Why keep fighting with her? What's wrong with you, little guy? You don't love her? Oh, look at her. Look at her. She's so sad. Oh my God. Come over here, little girlie. Come over here. Come over here. You're so bad. Know that? So bad. Why you keep fighting with her? Why you keep fighting with her? Huh? What's wrong with you, little guy? I know you're strong. I know you're strong, but don't fight with her. Just love her. Why you guys are so mean? Shut up. Okay, please don't fight with her. Okay, see. She's so sad over there. Oh my God. Come over, little girlie. Come over here, little girlie.